Umalis lang ako ng Pilipinas, ang dami nang nangyari. At since nasa Japan nga tayo ngayon, meron nakarating sa aking balita na spotted daw si Jungkook at si Winter here in Japan. This news is of course not confirmed. Speaking of Winter, who was in attendance at the W Magazine Korea party together with her band aespa, na in-attendan din ng BTS members na si RM, J-Hope, and V. And sa isang video, nakita na nag-uusap privately itong si V and si Winter. Tapos bigla na lang tumayo si V at iniwan niya si Winter. I'm not sure if this video is real or if it's AI. Kasi previously, hindi ko naman nakikita tong video na to. Recently na lang to lumabas. Pero to me, that interaction, if it were real, meron kasing something off. Kung mahanap ko ulit yung video, ipopost ko rin dito para makita nyo yung sinasabi ko kasi yung actions ni V was weird in my opinion. It was very ungentlemanlike. Para siyang galit. Kasi diba usually naman sa Korea, especially kapag nasa public event ka or meron mas nakakatanda sa'yo, magbabaw ka or at least kung may babae, aantayin mo tumayo yung babae, aantayin mo siyang umalis or magbabaw ka bago ka umalis. Pero that interaction, parang bigla na lang tumayo si Taehyung tapos umalis without any reaction from Winter. So nagkaroon ba ng masinsinang usapan? Nagkaroon ba ng Maricel Soriano, Sasha Padilla eksena? Sagutin mo ang tanong ko! Are you fucking my husband? Ganun? Was this video even real? Or was it just taken out of context? And I'm sure sooner or later masasagot din to ng iisang tao lang. In Taehyung we trust.